Welcome to another Simple Dad Snapchat tutorial. In this video, I want to talk about the new director mode on Snapchat. If you're new here, please subscribe to see more videos like this and don't forget to like this video. So director mode is an in-app video editing mode on Snapchat which enables you to have green screen mode, various playback speed, and have dual video mode. So this is currently being rolled out on iOS and partially on Android. So let me show you how to use this new director mode on Snapchat. So before we begin, first let's update the Snapchat app. You can do this by going into your App Store or your Google Play Store. Search for Snapchat and make sure that's updated to the latest version. So we'll go ahead and update it. Now once that's been updated, go ahead and open the app. And now you come to the Snapchat camera view. On the right hand side, you want to tap on this icon here, which looks like a camera and a star inside. So this is the new director mode. This will now open up your advanced video editing mode. So on the right, you'll have more options. So the very first option is your front and rear camera swap. So go ahead and tap on that. So if you want to flip your camera, you can tap on that. Or if you want your rear camera, you can tap on that. Next one, you have your sound control. So you can add your sound to your Snapchat videos. Next, you have your dual camera control. So you can have your vertical mode, your horizontal mode, your picture-in-picture mode, and lastly, you can have your cutout mode. Next, you have your lens, which will allow you to browse and search for lens to use on your Snapchat videos. Then below that, you have your green screen. After that, you have your playback speed control. Now you have your video timer. This is where you can basically set the length of your video recording. Below that, you have your flash, where you can enable flash if the light is really low. And lastly, you can import photos and videos from your camera roll. So that is what director mode is all about on Snapchat. So go ahead and update your Snapchat app and try out the new Snapchat director mode. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.